Your personal butler for your stay there in London. Can you have your luggage, please? Okay, now we have received your luggage and the condition. Is there any fragile inside? No. Okay, ma'am, let me accompany you to the reception area. This way, please. Ma'am, your room number is 128 and it's located in the fifth floor of this building. And to get you there, we will use the elevator. This way, please. Ma'am, we are already approaching you to your room. Let me remind you what services and facilities we have in our hotel. On the left restaurant, and the left is right restaurant.
Medyo mahaba po po dito.
We have a coffee shop. And on the top, we have a utility food. And the lunch area, we have a gift shop and souvenir. Okay, ma'am. We are ready here in front of your room. Ma'am, as we left the car, if the
Etiketa niya sa kaliwa.
door is ma'am, please come in. Okay, ma'am, how do you put your luggage? In the room or on the bed? Okay, so ma'am, as you can see, your luggage is good circulation. 24/7 Wi-Fi connection.
Isa sa inyo, ma'am.
And also inside the battery with half and cold water. Okay, ma'am, again, if you have any other question, just dial 1 for housekeeping. Just dial 2 for front desk, and just dial 3 for laundry. Okay, ma'am, once again, my name is Edwin Medeso, your personal butler, and welcome to you and trusting the Paradise Hotel.